Hello, my friends, I have been waiting for a long time. The shell bag tutorial has finally arrived. It looks beautiful and exquisite, with simple hooking methods, and novices can get around. First, start with an annular needle, first stand up one, and then hook 6 short needles on the coil. Newbie girls remember to buckle the marking buckle at the first needle, tighten the coil, pull the first needle, then lock the needle and start hooking the second circle. The second circle is used to hook 2 short needles in each needle, for a total of 12 needles. Put the marking button on the first needle, place the thread tip behind it above the hook needle, and hide it while hooking. Everyone finished this circle by themselves. After the last stitch is hooked, remove the marking buckle and pull it out at the first stitch, so the needles are standing together, and the circle is hooked according to the method of a short stitch and a short stitch plus a needle. Next, add 6 stitch counts per lap to the desired size. I hooked here for 10 rounds, and there were a total of 60 needles. Stand 4 needles at once and start to hook the deep part. Hook a long needle on the same needle. Put a mark on Chili's third braid. With 1 stitch, hook the needle in the second stitch counting later. Another empty needle, hook a long needle in the next needle, lock the needle, and a long needle. Also, 1 needle is empty and 1 long needle is hooked. Follow this rule to finish the circle. Everyone checked it out by themselves. Hold the last stitch, remove the marking buckle, and pull it out. The first round is completed, and the second round is the first step to pull out the needle hole. Stand 3 needles in a row, hook the needle in the hole. Lock 1 needle and hook 2 long needles. Chili's third braid has a buckle. Pay attention here, hook the hook and long needle. In the next lock needle hole, 2 long needles are hooked, 1 lock needle and 2 long needles. Follow this rule to tick this circle, hook the last tick, remove the marking button, and pull the third braid. Then pull out 2 more needles, and likewise, we must start hooking them in the hole. Stand 3 pins at the third braid and buckle the mark. Then hook a long needle. Lock 1 needle and hook 2 long needles. Hook a long needle on the outside. The same way as the hook method in the second circle. Follow this rule to finish this circle and the fourth circle. The arrangement is made of each 4 circles in a group, and the method of hooking the second, third, and fourth circles is the same. Demonstrate the drawing several times. Everyone finished the third and fourth circles by themselves. In the fifth circle, first pull out 2 needles into the hole. Stand 3 needles at once and hook 1 long needle. Pay attention, lock 2 needles, and then hook 2 long needles. A long needle for an outer hook. The third braid is buckled with a mark. Continue to retweet the rules. 2 long needles, 2 lock needles, 2 long needles, and 1 external hook long needle. Everyone checked it out by themselves. In the 6th circle, you will also start to hook it in the hole that is pulled first. Stand 3 needles at once and hook 2 long needles at once. Lock 1 needle and then hook 3 long needles. There is no change here, a long needle for external hooks. Follow this rule to finish the 6th, 7th, and 8th circles. Demonstrate again. 3 long needles, 1 lock needle, 3 long needles, and 1 external hook long needle. Everyone checked it out by themselves. In the 9th circle, lead 3 times into the hole. Lift up 3 needles and hook 2 long needles. Note, 2 lock needles. Then hook 3 long needles, and the long needles that remain unchanged. Repeat 3 long needles, 2 lock needles, 3 long needles, and 1 external hook long needle. After the 9th circle and the 10th circle, I still pulled it into the hole 3 times first. Stand up for 3 needles and hook 3 long needles. Lock 1 needle and hook 4 long needles. Loudly pointed to a long needle on the outside hook. In this way, after the 10th round of hooking, the bag was already formed. Finally, just pull out the edge. Pull and pull out one by one, and do not leak the needle. Pull out the fan 9 times, and hook the needle once. The last needle is pulled out, stretch the coil and break the wire. Take out the stitching needle and pass through the 2 braids of the first needle. Then pass through the second half of the last stitch. Okay, hide the thread inside the bag. The purple shell bag is finished and the magnetic buckle can be sewn. The capacity is quite large.